Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 6.2 question number 4. Find the sum of a sum of question number a minus question number a is 137 plus in bracket minus 354. Now we'll add this one, that is equal to 137 plus into minus, that is minus 354. Now if to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one, that is 354 and minus 137 7 carry 1 3 and 4 5 1 1 2 3 2 217. Answer is 217. This is one. Now which one is bigger, 137 or 354? 354 is bigger, therefore sign will be minus. This is the answer of question number A. Okay. Now we'll solve question number B. Now we'll solve question number B. Now question number B is minus 52 plus of 52. Here you find minus 52 plus 52 is 0. 0 is the answer, right? This is question number B. Now we'll solve question number C. Question number C is minus 312 plus 39 plus 192, right? Therefore we will add, first it is minus 312 and we will add both these numbers, that is 192 plus 39. 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, it is 1. 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13, carry 1 here 3. 1 plus 1 2, 231 plus 231. Now subtract the smaller number from the bigger one, that is 312 minus 231. 1, that is 1, 3, 8, 11, carry 1, 3, 1, 3, 81. Therefore this is equal to 81. Now which number is greater? 312 is greater than 231, therefore the sign will be minus. This is the answer of question number C. Now we will do the next question, that is question number D. Question number D. Let us take question number D. Question number D is, if we add all the numbers, that is minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. Then we are getting minus 50 plus into minus is minus, minus 200 plus 300. Now you see these are both have same sign, that is also minus, it is also minus, that is 200 plus 50 is equal to minus 250. Because it has same sign, then we add the numbers. Let us rub this one. Let us rub this one. Now now is equal to 50 and 200. You have to add the numbers because they have the same sign. Therefore it will be minus 250 plus 300, right? Now you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one, that is 300 minus 250 minus 250, that is it is 0, it is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, it is 150 is equal to 150. Now you see that 250 and 300 is greater, therefore it will be plus. The answer is 150. This is the solution of question number 4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.